Evaluation of function. To evaluate a function, substitute its variable with a given number or expression. Like in this example, evaluate the function f of x is equal to 4x plus 1, where x is equal to 10. Just replace the variable x with 10, so we have f of 10 is equal to 4 times 10 plus 1. F of 10 is equal to 40 plus 1. Therefore, f of 10 is equal to 41. More examples. Number 1. Evaluate f of x is equal to 3x plus 4. Find f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 3x plus 4. Just replace the variable x with 2. So we have f of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 plus 4. Then, simplify. F of 2 is equal to 6 plus 4. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 10. Number 2. G of x is equal to 2x minus 6. And find g of negative 3. G of negative 3 is equal to 2x minus 6. Just replace the variable x with negative 3. So, we have g of negative 3 is equal to 2 times negative 3 minus 6. Then, simplify. So, we have g of negative 3 is equal to negative 6 minus 6. Therefore, g of negative 3 is equal to negative 12. Number 3. Evaluate the function h of x is equal to x plus 3 multiplied to x minus 4 and where x is equal to 3. H of 3 is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 4. Just replace the variable x with 3, so we have h of 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 times 3 minus 4. Then, simplify, and we have 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, h of 3 is equal to negative 6. Number 4. Evaluate the function g of x is equal to x minus 5 over x plus 3 and find g of negative 1. G of negative 1 is equal to x minus 5 over x minus 3. Just replace the variable x with negative 1, so we have g of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 minus 5 over negative 1 plus 3. Then, simplify, and we have g of negative 1 is equal to negative 6 over 2. Therefore, g of negative 1 is equal to negative 3. What if? Number 5. Evaluate the function f plus g of negative 2 where f of x is equal to x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x minus 4. The notation of the function is f plus g of negative 2 is equal to f of x plus g of x. Now, substitute the value of f of x and g of x. So we have f plus g of negative 2 is equal to x plus 3 plus x minus 4. Then, combine like terms. X plus x is equal to 2x, and 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 1. Now, replace the variable x with negative 2, and we have 2 times negative 2 minus 1. Therefore, f plus g of negative 2 is equal to negative 5. Next, number 6. Evaluate the function f minus g of 2 where f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3. The notation of the function f with g is f minus g of 2 is equal to f of x minus g of x. Now, to get the difference, substitute the value of f of x and g of x. And we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x squared plus 3. Then, combine like terms. X squared minus 2x squared is equal to negative x squared. 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. Therefore, the difference of f of x minus g of x is equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 2. After getting the difference of function f of x and g of x, now substitute the value of x, which is 2. Okay, so we have negative 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 2. And simplify. Negative 2 squared is equal to positive 4. Negative 2 times 2 is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the difference of f minus g of 2 is equal to negative 2. Number 7. Evaluate the function f times g of 1 where f of x is equal to x squared minus x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x plus 2. The notation of the function f with g is f times g of 1 is equal to f of x times g of x. To get the product, substitute the value of f of x and g of x, and we have x squared minus x plus 3 times x plus 2. Then, simplify. X squared times x is equal to x cubed. X squared times 2 is equal to 2x squared. Negative x times x is equal to negative x squared. Negative x times 2 is equal to negative 2x. 3 times x is equal to 3x. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now, combine like terms. 2x squared minus x squared is equal to x squared. Negative 2x plus 3x is equal to x. Therefore, the product of f of x times g of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 6. After getting the product, of the function f of x and g of x. Now, substitute the given value of x, which is 1. Okay, so we have 1 cubed plus 1 squared plus 1 plus 6. Then, simplify. 1 cubed is equal to 1. 1 squared is equal to 1. Therefore, the product of f times g of 1 is equal to positive 9. Number 8. Evaluate the function f divide g of 3 where f of x is equal to x squared minus 4 and g of x is equal to x plus 2. The notation of the function f with g is f divide g of 3 is equal to f of x divide g of x. To get the quotient of f of x and g of x, substitute the value of f of x and g of x. And we have f divide g of 3 is equal to x squared minus 4 divide x plus 2. If you think the given function is factorable, then simplify the term that can be factor either the numerator or denominator. And we have x minus 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 and cancel out the common terms, which is x plus 2. So, the quotient of the given function f of x divide g of x is equal to x minus 2. After getting the quotient, now substitute the given value of x, which is 3. Okay, so we have 3 minus 2. Therefore, the quotient of f divide g of 3 is equal to positive 1. And next, number 9. Evaluate the function f composition of g of negative 2 where f of x is equal to x squared minus 3 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. The notation of the function f with g is f composition of g of negative 2 is equal to f of g of x. To get the composition of the given function, first, substitute the value of f of g of x. So we have x plus 3 squared minus 3. Then, simplify x plus 3 squared. So we have x plus 3 times x plus 3 minus 3 and simplify again using the FOIL method. X times x is equal to x squared. X times 3 is equal to 3x. 3 times x is equal to 3x. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And combine like terms. 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x. And 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. After getting the composition of f of g of x, now substitute the given value of x, which is negative 2. So we have negative 2 squared plus 6 times negative 2 plus 6. And simplify. Negative 2 squared is equal to 4. 6 times negative 2 is equal to negative 12. Therefore, F composition of G of negative 2 is equal to negative 2. And the last example, number 10. Evaluate the function G composition of F of negative 2 where f of x is equal to x squared minus 3 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. The notation of the function g with f is g composition of f of negative 2 is equal to g of f of x. To get the composition of the given function, first, substitute the value of g of f of x. And we have x squared minus 3 plus 3. Then, combine like terms. Negative 3 plus 3. Cancel. So we have g of f of x is equal to x squared. After getting the composition of g of f of x, now substitute the value of x, which is negative 2. So we have negative 2 squared. Therefore, g composition of f of negative 2 is equal to positive 4. And that's all for the discussion of evaluation of function. Thank you.